Jeep is the name in off-roading. Since their inception, enthusiasts have gravitated towards the brand for their rig of choice when it comes to exploring the great outdoors. While rolling off the assembly line well-equipped for these adventures, there's still some weak links in this platform that Artec Industries has a solution for. Today we're taking a look at Artec Industries' Axis aluminum steering kit for the JL and JT Jeep platforms. Designed for 2018 and up Jeep Wrangler JL and 2020 and up Jeep Gladiator JT models equipped with the M210 front axle, this system replaces the factory steel tie rod and drag link with 7075 aerospace-grade aluminum components and can be found using the part number for JL SK6007 and JT SK6008. Developed over 5 years for extreme rock crawling and daily driving, this system provides the perfect solution for most enthusiasts running 35-inch or larger tires who require added protection on the trail. Since the OEM steering kit is susceptible to bends, cracks, and even shearing in these conditions, Artec developed the Axis aluminum steering kit for overlanders that need steering linkage that can handle real off-road forces without bending, flexing, or developing the oscillation issues common to the factory setup. Installation is straightforward. This assembly follows the standard Jeep procedure, and your technician simply replaces the OEM equipment with the Axis kit. The 7075 aluminum construction offers a significant weight reduction over steel alternatives while maintaining the strength required for extreme use. Both the tie rod and drag link feature right-hand and left-hand threads, allowing alignment adjustments without removing the rod ends from the knuckles. Machined wrench flats let your technician tighten the jam nuts without damaging the aluminum body. The kit includes premium serviceable tie rod ends, the industry's strongest and longest lasting according to Artec, giving your customers the option to service the ball joints rather than replacing the entire component or requiring an alignment. The factory tie rod and drag link are built to a price point, designed to handle stock tires and stock loads, but fall short for modified rigs. The Axis components are noticeably larger in diameter while reducing weight due to the 7075 aluminum, and feature serviceable ends that the factory setup doesn't offer. Combined, Artec remedied the weak points in the factory steering setup, offering peace of mind for Jeeps with oversized tires or spending time on the trails. The Axis kit is designed to integrate cleanly with the factory steering geometry. No warning lights, no compatibility issues, and no modifications to the knuckles or pitman arm required. The right and left-hand threads on both links mean future alignment adjustments can be made in minutes without a lift. Simply loosen the jam nuts, spin the link body to adjust, and retighten. Top that off with serviceable ball joints and you have a noticeably more precise steering response, eliminated flex under load, and the confidence that the linkage can handle whatever the trail throws at it. If you're looking for steering solutions for larger tires on a JL or JT platform, contact your Turn 14 representative or search Artec on turn14.com. Like and subscribe for more product features like this, and drop a comment on what you'd like to see us do next.